We've been together for 13 years, married for 6. You shouldn't clap. We fight. We do. We fight. Which is normal, I think. I think it's normal for couples to fight. I think it's healthy. I don't trust other couples that say, we don't fight. We never fight. I don't think I can ever remember a time that we fought. Those are the people you see on Dateline. Pushing each other off cruise ships. I'm on cruise ships a lot, okay? People don't just fall off those things. Not without a little, what? She was drunk. It's normal to fight. It's normal. You know, I think it's healthy, and every couple in here, you know, your fights, they are valid. If in a perfect world, they'd all happen at home, in the fighting room. That's not the case, is it? Sometimes fights happen outside the house. That's not ideal. And we can all remember a time that a big fight happened outside the house. For us, it was the Kayak fight of 2015. We love each other very much, and we've moved on, but we'll never forget the Kayak fight of 2015. We were on a camping trip. We had just rented kayaks and paddled into a beautiful lake, and a relationship is a lot like a kayak. Highly unstable. You should never try to fix one when it's in water. In every relationship, there's one person that has more feelings than the other person. They're the keeper of the feelings. In my relationship, it's me. So I thought in that moment, I should paddle over to her and tell her exactly how I'm feeling in this moment. So I did. I paddled over to her. And I said, "You never loved me!" And I paddled away. And I felt better. She did not. No, because now she had to paddle all the way across the lake to tell me, what is wrong with you? Don't ruin this trip. You need to calm down. And she paddled away. Now I got to paddle all the way across the lake. And I'm kind of paddling fast now. Because I need to tell her how calm I already am. And I need to lovingly add, screw you! Meanwhile, a group of people have gathered on the bank of the lake, watching all this go down like, look, lesbians in their natural habitat. The Kayak fight of 2015.